We've all been there, running late, parking in a crowded lot, or navigating tight city streets, and suddenly, your car's perfect exterior is marred by an annoying scratch. A small, seemingly harmless line, yet it feels like it ruins the entire look of your vehicle. The worst part? Most people assume fixing scratches requires expensive tools, professional help, or hours of elbow grease. But what if I told you that in just 5 minutes, without any special tools, you could make that scratch vanish? Today we're diving into the art and science of scratch removal, sharing a method that is simple, effective, and accessible to anyone with a car. Understanding scratches is the first step toward removing them. Not all scratches are created equal. Surface scratches, which only affect the clear coat, are the easiest to fix. They don't penetrate the paint beneath and are usually shallow enough to be corrected with gentle polishing. Then there are deeper scratches that cut through the paint and reach the primer or even the metal beneath. These require more advanced techniques, but surprisingly, many scratches that look intimidating can be significantly minimized with the right approach. Recognizing what type of scratch you're dealing with saves time, effort, and unnecessary panic. Surface scratches, the kind that catch your finger when you lightly swipe across them, are your ideal target for a 5-minute fix. Preparation is key. Even though this method doesn't require tools, it does require a clean surface. Start by washing the scratched area with soap and water to remove dirt, dust, and grease. This isn't just for aesthetics. Any particles left on the surface can cause more scratches during the removal process. Dry the area thoroughly with a clean microfiber cloth. Patience in this step is critical. Rushing it can undermine all your efforts later. A perfectly clean surface ensures that every action you take directly addresses the scratch rather than moving dirt around and potentially making the problem worse. Now comes the heart of the process. For this method, you'll use an everyday household item, toothpaste. Yes, the same toothpaste you use every morning. But not just any toothpaste. Choose a non-gel, white paste toothpaste. Why toothpaste? It contains mild abrasives that gently polish the clear coat without damaging it. These abrasives are fine enough to smooth the edges of the scratch, essentially leveling the surface so that the scratch blends seamlessly with the surrounding paint. Toothpaste works in much the same way as professional scratch removers, but is far more accessible and cost-effective. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to a clean, damp microfiber cloth. A pea-sized amount is enough for one scratch. Begin rubbing the toothpaste into the scratch using gentle circular motions. Don't rush this step. Apply consistent light pressure and move slowly to ensure the paste works into every groove of the scratch. Circular movements are crucial because they distribute the abrasives evenly, helping to smooth the surface without creating new scratches. In just a few minutes, you'll notice the scratch starting to disappear as the toothpaste fills in and polishes the area. After rubbing the toothpaste for about a minute or two, it's time to wipe away the residue. Use a clean, slightly damp microfiber cloth to remove all traces of toothpaste. Examine the area under good lighting to check your progress. In many cases, especially with minor surface scratches, the mark will have faded dramatically or disappeared entirely. If the scratch persists, repeat the process one more time. The key is patience. Too much force can damage the clear coat, while gentle persistence will restore the surface without harming it. Once the scratch has been removed, it's important to protect the polished area. Use a high-quality car wax or sealant to apply a protective layer. This serves two purposes. It restores shine and guards against future scratches. A thin layer of wax fills microscopic imperfections in the paint, making the surface smooth and reflective while providing a protective barrier against environmental damage. Even minor exposure to sun, rain, or dust can dull the freshly polished area if left unprotected. A simple wax application takes just a few extra minutes, but can dramatically increase the longevity of your repair. Beyond toothpaste, there are other household solutions that can help remove minor scratches. Baking soda is another mild abrasive that, when mixed with water to form a paste, can gently buff out scratches in a similar way. Petroleum jelly can fill in shallow scratches temporarily, making them less visible until a more permanent solution is applied. The advantage of these methods is that they rely on materials most people already have at home, meaning that an emergency scratch doesn't have to turn into a trip to the auto shop. Knowing these alternatives gives you flexibility and ensures that you can always address minor cosmetic damage immediately. Understanding why scratches occur is also important to prevent them in the future. The majority of car scratches happen during parking, accidental brushes with objects, improper washing techniques, or even environmental factors like wind-blown debris. For example, washing your car with a dirty sponge or towel can introduce micro scratches that accumulate over time, dulling your paint. Parking too close to other vehicles or under overhanging trees increases the risk of scratches from branches, shopping carts, or careless drivers. By understanding the common causes, you can adopt preventive habits which, combined with quick removal techniques, keeps your car looking pristine for years. Technology has advanced significantly in the field of paint protection, and understanding these options complements the scratch removal process. Paint protection films, ceramic coatings, and high-quality waxes create durable surfaces that resist scratches, UV damage, and chemical exposure. While these solutions are more long-term and sometimes require professional application, they drastically reduce the likelihood of minor scratches forming. Combining preventive coatings with rapid at-home scratch fixes ensures your car's exterior maintains a showroom shine even in urban or high-traffic environments. Many people assume that minor scratches diminish the value of a vehicle only slightly, but the reality is more impactful. Resale value is heavily influenced by appearance, and visible scratches can lead to lower appraisal scores, reduced buyer confidence, and lower offers. For luxury or collectible vehicles, even small imperfections can have an outsized effect on value. By quickly removing scratches, you're not only preserving aesthetics, but also protecting your investment. A 5-minute fix can make the difference between a car that looks neglected and one that appears meticulously maintained. The emotional impact of a pristine car should not be underestimated either. There's a subtle satisfaction in seeing your vehicle gleam in the sunlight, free from blemishes. Minor scratches can create a psychological effect, making a car seem older or less cared for than it really is. Restoring the surface, even with simple household methods, restores confidence and pride in ownership. The process is simple, yet the results are transformative. It's proof that maintaining your car's beauty doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. It just requires knowledge, patience, and the right approach. To summarize the 5-minute no-tools-needed method, start by washing and drying the scratched area thoroughly. Identify whether the scratch is superficial or deep. Apply a small amount of non-gel white toothpaste to a damp microfiber cloth and gently rub it into the scratch using circular motions. Repeat as necessary until the scratch fades. Remove any residue with a clean cloth, and finally, protect the area with wax or sealant to restore shine and prevent future damage. The simplicity of this method is its genius: accessible, effective, and safe for everyday drivers. Even if the scratch is deeper than the clear coat, these household techniques can still make a significant difference. While professional touch-ups or repainting may eventually be necessary, minimizing the scratch immediately prevents it from worsening. Exposure to sunlight, rain, and contaminants can exacerbate a minor scratch, turning it into a more serious problem over time. Acting quickly, even with toothpaste or baking soda, slows down damage progression and buys time before professional repair is needed. It's also worth noting that this method is environmentally friendly. Professional chemical scratch removers often contain harsh solvents and abrasives, whereas toothpaste and baking soda are safe, non-toxic, and biodegradable. You can clean your car without contributing to chemical runoff or harming your driveway, garage, or nearby landscaping. Small, everyday choices like these make a difference, proving that maintaining your vehicle doesn't have to come at a cost to the environment. For car enthusiasts, this technique is a game changer. Many spend thousands on detailing, coatings, and professional scratch removal. Yet with minimal investment and 5 minutes of attention, minor surface scratches can be resolved instantly. It's a reminder that understanding your vehicle and the science behind paint care can save both time and money, while preserving the satisfaction of driving a flawless car. You don't need expensive kits, polishing machines, or specialized skills, just knowledge and a little patience. In conclusion, scratches don't have to be a permanent eyesore or a source of frustration. With this 5-minute no-tools-needed method, you can quickly and effectively restore your car's appearance. Start by preparing the surface, choose the right household abrasive, apply it carefully, and protect the area afterward. By understanding the causes of scratches and adopting preventive measures, you can reduce their occurrence and maintain your vehicle's pristine appearance for years to come. Whether you're a casual driver or a car enthusiast, this method empowers you to take control of your vehicle's aesthetics, save money, and enjoy the confidence that comes with a scratch-free car. Remember, a well-maintained exterior is more than just cosmetic. It's a reflection of care, pride, and attention to detail. Every scratch you remove is a step toward preserving your car's value, enhancing its beauty, and enjoying the emotional satisfaction of a perfectly maintained vehicle. 5 minutes, a little toothpaste, and a microfiber cloth. That's all it takes to reclaim your car's flawless finish.